Hello and welcome to Forex Minutes review of OctaFX, a Forex broker. As you can see, I am on the front page, and they do sponsor a professional football club in Indonesia. As you can see, they show that up front. Very easy page to navigate. You have the home page, obviously. The company page is about OctaFX. You can, of course, click on that for a little bit of information about the company. It's been around since 2011. You can also go to various parts of the website as far as the customer care department, the services, the true ECN spreads, etc. As far as that information is concerned, they do list their regulation very prominently. It's not easy. It's not easy to find with some companies. OctaFX does list right up front where they are registered in and who they are regulated by. The trading software, as you can see, there's two different options: MetaTrader 4, and then of course the various flavors of it. And what they use is CTrader, which there are various flavors of that as well. They do have promotions, and they do change quite often. 50% deposit bonus is one that's around quite a bit, but there's also demo contests, weekly trade, sprint demo, King of the Road real contest, and worded out review contest. Deposit is easy. You can see that there are all of the major players involved. Withdrawal, same thing. Fund security, you can click on that and you can see that they are segregated accounts. They do make a big deal about that. The SSL protected personal area, that's is a secure socket layer to protect your identity and information over the internet. And then they do verify accounts. They do have Visa and MasterCard authorization that they apply as well on top of the normal authorization, and therefore it's a very safe process to deposit and withdraw money. When you look at the withdrawal tab, it says you log into your personal area, etc., and there are minimal withdrawals. Now that, of course, is assuming that you have more than that in your account. So a bank wire needs to be 100, but they do have the other options if, say, you had $17 in account and you wanted to close it out. Withdrawal is instant under most terms of withdrawal. So there is the wire, of course. That'll really kind of come down to your own bank. They do have live quotes on the web page, and it does, for example, they also have some other interesting things like interest rates out of several of the world's central banks, and this goes well beyond the normal. For example, you have the central bank in Iceland, current rate 6, Hungary 6, so it really just kind of goes all the way through the various currencies and stuff. You do have spreads and conditions clearly shown on the website. It shows you the current spread. It updates in real time. You can see that the spreads are pretty tight. So, for example, the New Zealand dollar is 1.2 right now, and that's a pretty tight spread, and that is for their micro account. You go to the ECN. You can see that it's 1.1 as well. 1.3 is fluctuating. ECNs, of course, fluctuate. A few more pairs available on the ECN as opposed to the micro. So we have like the Kiwi Swiss, for example. It's only 1.2. That's a really good spread. And then the ECN trader has a list of the minimal and typical spreads, as you would expect. Dollar krona, dollar karuna, dollar zloty. You start to talk about some pretty exotic trades here. Being in Indonesia, the CTrader has no swap, but it does have a weekly rollover. Suspect that probably has to do with Islamic laws. That being the case, though, you look and there's a plain area of their awards. Some of the things they won here recently. best ECN broker by Global Banking and Finance Review in Asia in 2014, customer service broker by FX Empire, and on and on. That being the case, we all know the MetaTrader 4 platform, so that's really not something that's going to be too out of the normal for most of you. There is live chat. There's social networks as well. Phone numbers. You can phone and SMS that number there. Office hours. There's a Malaysian toll-free St. Vincent and the Grenadines number that you can call. It does allow you to call being on two opposite sides of the world in different time zones, so that of course helps too. There's a BlackBerry Center and etc. All in all, OctaFX does give you the opportunity to not only trade the standard MetaTrader 4 platform that everybody likes, but it gives you the ability to do it in very tight spreads and conditions, which makes it one of the more interesting brokers that we are currently looking at.